In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit pages in Notion as part of our 2025 guide. If you're looking to navigate the fundamentals of Notion, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll start by opening Notion. If you're already familiar with Notion, you know it's a versatile tool used widely for note-taking, project management, and organization. Simply head to your Notion dashboard. You'll find all your projects and notes right here. Once you're on the main screen, we'll move on to creating a new page or editing an existing one. This is where the creative process begins. Next, focus your attention on the top corner of your interface. You'll see an option that says New Page, or if you're editing, look for the Edit button. Click on it. This essential step allows you to either start with a blank canvas or modify an ongoing project. Whichever you choose, it's all about tailoring your workspace to meet your needs. Once you've started your new page or brought up an existing one, the next thing to look for is the Add icon. What is the Add icon, you ask? It's a convenient tool for incorporating different elements into your Notion page. Click on it, and a menu will pop up with a variety of blocks you can add. From text and headings to images and files, these blocks help make your Notion page as functional and creative as possible. Now, let's add a touch of personalization by selecting an icon for your page. This small yet impactful step is more than just aesthetic. Icons can signify the type of content a page contains, making it easier to spot when scrolling through your workspace. Simply click on the icon itself, choose the one that best fits your page's theme or purpose, and voila, your page now has its unique emblem. Another way to elevate your Notion page is by adding a cover. Covers are the larger banners that sit atop your page, a perfect place to add some visual flair. To do this, click on Add Cover, and a selection of images will appear. You can choose from the default gallery, upload your own image, or even pull from external sources. The right cover image can set the tone for your content, making your Notion experience more inviting and customized. And there you have it, your quick and thorough guide to creating and editing pages in Notion. Remember, Notion is all about personalization and efficiency. So, take some time to explore the different features it offers, and don't be afraid to experiment with layout and design. Whether you're managing a project or jotting down ideas, Notion is your creative hub. Thanks for joining me in this step-by-step guide. See you in the next video.